Jesko Absolut is one of the most extreme supercars on the planet, but that didn't stop the company from using the car to set a new world record. The all-new 4 records were achieved with factory test driver Markus Lundh. It took a Jesko from 0 to 400 km/h and back to 0 in a record-breaking 27.83 seconds. Time beats the old record set in 2023, held by the Koenigsegg by 0.98 seconds. The Swedish supercar maker said the Jesko Absolut has also broken the 0 to 250 and back to 0 mph record, achieving the feat in just 28.27 seconds. It also set the record for quickest production car to 400 km/h and to 250 mph at 18.82 seconds and 19.2 seconds respectively. The automaker noted the Jesko Absolut is designed specifically for straight line speed, as its body is designed with a smaller frontal area, limited and targeted venting for the release of high-pressure air, and no active aero, all intended to minimize drag. Besides the streamlined design, the car has a twin-turbo 5.0-liter V8 producing up to 1,600 horsepower on E85 gasoline.